inspired by you.
Hi, I'm Pooja, and today we are going to learn something new about Hire's BMR, which not only offers latest features but also focuses on convenience, accessibility, and visibility inside the refrigerator. The BMR, the bottom mounted refrigerator, as the name suggests, has a fridge on top, which makes it much easier to access daily food items and makes it way more convenient. It's much easier to place your food items as it's way bigger than a regular frost-free, as you can see. The freezer is placed right at the bottom. It eliminates the need to bend up to 90% of the time. Well, that's Hire's BMR, bottom-mounted refrigerator. In a refrigerator, it's very important to be able to use it conveniently. In a regular frost-free refrigerator, as you can see, you have to bend down every time you have to store something or take it out as well, which makes life so inconvenient and full of hassle as well. But in our BMR, everything is at eye level, which makes life so convenient, less time consuming, and in short, makes life hassle-free. Hire's BMR understands the importance of accessibility. It's very important to be able to access the daily food easily, and Hire's BMR understands that very well. But when it comes to regular frost-free, it's really inconvenient and takes longer time to search for what you really want. You have to bend, search, and get up. It's a pain. When it comes to our BMR, it's super easy and convenient. You can find anything you want in a jiffy like this. Because of its large space and smart compartments, it's super convenient and you can find whatever you want. Did you know that almost 30% of the food stored in a refrigerator gets thrown away in trash, and it's mostly because of poor visibility inside the fridge? With the lamp being placed at the back wall of the refrigerator, the light gets blocked by the containers, which further decrease the visibility. Thanks to the BMR, the placement of the LED light is on top. Due to this, everything inside the refrigerator is clearly visible at eye level. You don't have to spend much time searching for food. You also get to save 50% of your time compared to a top-mounted refrigerator. In a top-mounted refrigerator, to store frozen food, we only have open space. Whereas in a BMR, you have transparent compartments made which prevent mixing or smell of different food items. For example, you could store a non-veg item and different foods like vegetables as well as ice cream. And also, it helps you store your food in an orderly and organized manner. In regular refrigerators, compressor operates on one constant speed and gets cut off once set temperature is attained. It will restart once temperature raises above set temperature. Due to this, food is exposed to variable temperature. But with full DC inverter technology, the compressor is able to work on variable speed, powered by DC fan motor and DC compressor. Hire's intelligent sensors help in retaining the internal temperature perfectly. It also consumes less energy and increases its durability. Your food, vegetables, and beverages are always maintained at the desired temperature that keeps your food fresh and healthy. The My Zone at Hire can set the optimum temperature ranging from -3 to 5 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for families with different food habits and preferences of different kinds of food store, either vegetarian or non-vegetarian. The vegetable and fruit boxes of a BMR are 2 times bigger than a normal refrigerator. You can even segregate your fruits and vegetables to make your life a whole lot easier. Door of the refrigerator can be reversed to either side as per your convenience. To resolve different space problem, reversible door feature is your solution. It can be opened either on the left or on the right. With Hire, now you can control your refrigerator smartly with one-touch control. Artificial intelligence automatically sets the temperature as well as maintains it in both the freezer and fridge with the help of its sensors. If you're looking on going on a long holiday and want to save energy and don't want any foul smell, then the holiday function helps for the same. The fridge will be off and the freezer will be on, consuming only 10% energy. Whether it's a party weekend or a new guest arrived, with a super cool and super freeze function, with just one touch, the cooling in the freezer and the fridge is fast forwarded. With Haier's BMR, icing can happen in less than 60 minutes. The 1-hour icing technology brings down the water temperature in the ice tray to -5 degrees Celsius. So whenever you have any party or occasion at your place, you know you will have your ice cubes ready in less than an hour. The cool pad in the freezer section helps the refrigerator remain cool for up to 10 hours after the power cut. So now your ice cream won't melt and your food won't spoil.
Higher, inspired by you. Higher, inspired by you.